How to install Google Play Store apps on Windows 11 PC. Now, to get this done, it's actually quite simple. The first thing that we are going to do is just turn on some feature. So what you're going to do is open the Windows features, and then you're going to go ahead and turn on the virtual machine platform. So make sure that this is checked and then hit OK. And once you have done that one, I want you to go ahead and open your browser of choice. In my case, I'm just going to go ahead and use Chrome this time. And what I'm going to do is just look for WSA builds here, and then you're going to go ahead and open this one. Now, I want you to go ahead and basically download the most important file here. And the first thing that we are going to do is decide whether we're using Windows 11 or 10. And say, for example, in my case, 11, I'm just going to go ahead and choose the latest stable builds here, x64. And then I'm going to go ahead and open this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and download it by heading down here below. Now you're going to go ahead and download this one right here, G apps no Amazon. You can just go ahead and click this one and it is going to automatically download for you. In my case, I have already downloaded this one actually. So here is the file itself. Well, the downloaded file is going to look like this, so you're just going to have to extract it from here. And then once you have the folder extracted already, I want you to go ahead and open it. Open it once again, and then you're going to look for the application or the type here, run Windows batch file. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit enter, and then this thing is going to pop up, and you're just going to have to wait for this one to be done. In this case, hit continue. Now hit continue once again, and basically you're going to be able to see these here. Now after installing all of those here, you can see that now we have the Google Play Store already. So you can just go ahead and click this one in order for you to begin signing in. And again, everybody, that is how you are going to get this done.